Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, today I am here again with a remaining explanation of chapter number 2, that is uses of plants. So my dear students, before starting the explanation of remaining topics, let's have a quick overview on our previous topics. As you know that plants have many uses and we get most of our foods from plants. Plants are very useful to us because most of our food comes from plants, and food is one of our basic needs and everybody needs food to stay alive, either human beings or animals or birds. Everyone needs food to stay alive. Plants keep air fresh and clean. Plants give us many things which are mentioned below. So students, in our previous video, you had learned about food from plant. We get food from different parts of plants and we eat roots, leaves, fruits, stems, flowers as vegetables and seeds as cereals and pulses. So students, here look at the first picture. This is a picture of carrot. So students, do you know carrot is the root of plants that we eat? And in next picture, this is a picture of sugar cane, and sugar cane is the stem of plants that we eat. The next one, cabbage. Cabbage is the leaves of plants that we eat. Now the last one, you know very well, this is a picture of apple and this is a fruit of plants that we eat. The next picture is of maize, and maize is the seed of plants that we eat. The last one, that is cauliflower. So students, cauliflower is the flower of plant. We also get nuts from plants. Nuts are dry fruit with a hard shell. For example, almond, groundnut, cashew. Picture of almond, groundnut and cashew are given here. Now our next topic is spices. So students, we get spices from plants. So students, do you know what is the uses of spices? Yes, they add taste, color and aroma. What is the meaning of aroma? Aroma means pleasant smell to food. So students, spices add taste, color and aroma, that is pleasant smell to food. Here some pictures of spices are given below: clove, cardamom and black pepper. Now let's come to the page number 22 from your science book. Spices. So I already told you about spices. Spices, we get spices such as cardamom, cinnamon and black pepper from plants. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of plants. Spices add flavor to our food. Now let's come to the next topic. Plants give us oil. So students, we also get oil from plants. Let's discuss about it. We get oil from the seeds or fruits of plants such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. We use oil mainly for cooking and also for oiling our hair. So students, from where we get oil or from which plant we get oil? So plants such as mustard, coconut and sunflower and olive are the plants from where we get oil. And we mainly use oil for cooking and oiling our hair. Now let's come to the next topic. Plants give us medicine. We get medicines from many plants such as neem, tulsi, clove and turmeric are used to make medicines. So students, plants also give us medicine. Plants such as neem, tulsi, clove and turmeric which are used to make medicines. Now let's read the fact file that is given here. We get haldi or turmeric from a ginger-like stem that grows underground. It is also used as a spice in our food. So students, turmeric, which means haldi, is also used as spice in our food, and it is also used as medicine also. Now let's come to the short exercise. Let's remember, name one thing we get from each of the following plants. So students, here picture of some plants are given. You have to name one thing that we get from that plant. So the first one is picture of mango tree. So students, we get mango from mango tree, and mango is a fruit. So here you have to write fruit. And in next picture, this is a picture of wheat. So students, we get grains from we get cereals. Wheat is a cereal. So here you have to write cereals in the given blank. The next one is, this is a plant of sugarcane, and we get sugar from the sugarcane plant. So here you have to write sugar. Now students, let's move on to our next topic, that is plants give us fibers. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. Fibers are used to make cloth. So students, do you know the cloth that we wear is made up of which fiber? Yes, it is made up of cotton, silk. There are many fibers. So students, do you know from where we get these fibers? We get these fibers from plants, such as we get cotton from cotton plant, jute from jute plant. So these fibers are used to make cloths or bags. So students, do you know what is a fiber? Fiber is a thin thread-like material. Now let's come to the next topic. Plants give us paper, rubber and gum. So students, your book, your notebooks are made up of paper, and we get this paper from plants. We get paper from plants like bamboo. Paper is used to make books, bags, etc. So students, we get paper from plants like bamboo. The next one, we get rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. Rubber is used to make erasers, tires and pipes. So students, the eraser that you usually use to erase when you made mistake in your notebooks is made up of rubber, and the tire of vehicles and pipes all are made up of rubber, and we get this rubber from the juice of the rubber tree. Now next point, we get gum from the kicker tree. Gum is used to make glue. So students, when you have to paste something, you use gum or glue. So students, this glue is made up of gum, and we get gum from the kicker tree. Now the next topic is plants give us wood. So students, plants also give us wood, and we use this wood to make furnitures like table, chair, bed, door. We get wood from trees such as teak, sesame and pine. Wood is used to make houses, furniture, boards, carts, etc. So students, we get wood from plants like teak, sesame and pine. And wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats, carts, etc. Now let's come to the last topic, that is plants give us soaps, toothpaste and perfumes. So students, do you know the soaps, the toothpaste and perfumes that we use, from where we get it? Yes, we get all from plants. We use juices and oils of certain plants to make soaps and toothpaste, and flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine, which are usually used to make perfumes. So students, this was the explanation of this chapter. I hope you understood all the topics very clearly by the help of this video. Now you have to read this chapter and you have to discuss about all the uses of plants from your family members. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. The exercises of this chapter you will get soon in your next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.